Here with me is the Sony WF-C500. It is green in color and there are three other colors which are orange, white and black. And I'm going to unbox it. So the first thing that struck me is the color, because it is pastel in color and it is something that I like. And in terms of the physical design, the material of the case feels very plastic, and as you can see at the top layer of the cover, it is a translucent color instead of the one at the bottom and the earpiece, which is pastel. I think this helps to cut some cost on it instead of giving the full pastel color throughout the casing. I think in terms of the thickness of it, it is rather compact, but when it comes to the length, it is a little on the longer side, so it may not fit those pockets that are not that deep. The earpiece itself is a truly wireless earpiece of a rubber tip, so it is not an open design, it is one where it fits directly into the ear. This will be my first time trying the earpiece out. So my first impression of it is that it is rather comfortable. It fits perfectly into the ear. I'm not exactly too sure if it will come out easily or not. That will be covered in the full review of this earpiece. One of the things that I would like to try with this earpiece is to run with it, and I think it does not seem that it will actually come out, but who really knows until you actually tried out some vigorous activities like jogging or doing static exercises, and I will find out to see whether or not the earpiece will come out of my ear while exercising. So one of the main features that I'm looking forward to is probably the 360 reality audio. It is supposed to be Sony version of spatial audio, which should give you an immersive audio experience. So that will be something that I will look forward to. In terms of its price, it costs $139. Based on its pricing, it is not of a flagship tier, but it should be somewhere in the mid-range because it is not too of a budget option as well. Going through the specification of it, it supports Bluetooth 5.0 and it has SBC and AAC codec. It takes about 2.5 hours to charge as advertised, and it has a 10+10 battery life. Meaning to say that the earpiece itself can support up to 10 hours of battery life. Together with the case, it can support additional 10 hours, so it gives 20 hours in total. To charge the earpiece, it is connected via USB-C and it has no wireless charging. And for waterproofing, it is rated up to IPX4. So you could use the earpiece in some light rain or some sweat from your exercises. So if you're interested to know the full review of the Sony WF-C500, do consider subscribing, like this video if you enjoy, and do comment if you have any opinion. Thanks for watching!